I love Vermont. I've lived here my entire life, and although it is quite small, I would never be who I am without it.
The three things that symbolize Vermont to me most of all, first off would be being neighborly. I find in a lot of other places people tend to keep to themselves, but in Vermont, I think neighbors and people really do come together and communicate and care about each other. The pride. I think this is one of those few states where people are really, truly proud to say that, yes, I'm a Vermonter, yes, I'm from this place, and that pride is something you can feel and experience in everything that we do.
The three words that sum up Vermont for me are
maple syrup, white people, and really pretty leaves.
Mountains, my orchard, and maple syrup.
When I think about Vermont, I think of my three children, Grace, Mason, and Lillian.
quiet, old, and home.
Community, beauty, and cheese.
Family, wildlife, and farms.